2018 Suzuki GSX-R600. But I've always been a sucker for the 600s. Oh, we get power modes. Did not know that. Look at Suzuki stepping up. Okay, out of the 1000R and the Busa, this bike is a feather. Absolute feather. Crazy. Okay, for some reason I feel the most squished up on this one. Like, I don't know if it has a shorter wheelbase or something, but it feels really compact. Clutch is a feather. The front brake bit really hard. I'll try the right brake out shortly. I mean, I'm sorry. I'll try the rear brake out shortly. Oh yes, that's what we like about 600s. Throttle is just a little snatchy, but I mean, I'm sure if I put it in power mode B, it'll smooth all that out. Love these 600s because of that. Dude, like high in the RPM, when they start waking up, these bikes just howl. Insane. Ugh. Kind of odd little sensation I had back there. I don't know if these bikes have ABS. I don't think the 600s do, but the rear wheel was getting just a little bit loose on me while I was braking, not while I was accelerating. Like, I was feeling the back end kind of wobble a little bit and dance out from behind me. I mean, I don't think it's anything with the bike. I think it was just like an imperfection in the road or something. But no, man, I keep saying it. Like, I just wish one manufacturer would put all of the leader bike tech into one of their 600s, and if they just do that for like 1 year, freaking sweet. We know that'll never happen. Let me show you guys the bike. 2018 Suzuki GSX-R600. Nice bike. Very, very nice bike. Later.